NASDAQ this week has risen in value again, and it is also making all-time high. We can see that the price has formed again bullish engulfing candle going above bullish breakout on a Thursday above 18,000. The week has started somehow indecision with indecision candle, and we can see that these two candles at the start of the week was some kind of indecision, and on the Wednesday, the third day, the price formed a small bearish breakout, which was suggesting that the price will continue to fall down in value. But on a Thursday, the price formed this bullish candle that has overtook these four candles before that, and it has closed above a very critical level, which is 18,000, a round number, and it is a supply zone here, resistance level. After that, the price continued to rise in value, and on the Friday, the price has made all-time high with this bullish, very strong bullish candle reaching 18,289. This is something that was shared inside the Telegram group, and you can see that I have shared the information. This is the one about the NASDAQ inside the Telegram group as a daily analysis. So the target currently is 18,500 as the next resistance level, but it is all-time high. So if you would like also to get this daily analysis when something happens, you can also check the link below in the description about the Telegram group and join if you would like to be notified. Now, on the weekly analysis, we can see how this looks. Again, bullish candle. It is a bullish breakout as on the daily time frame. On the monthly time frame, this is something as we have seen for several months, and that is the previous month has ended as a bullish candle here, and with the next candle forming as also bullish candle. So for the monthly time frame, we do not have too much information here that could help us, except that we have 18,500 as a round number as the next level, and after that it will be around 19,000. So this is something that is a potential target for the next month, but if the price returns back below 18,000, it will be some kind of a retrace that we could see, and it is possible bearish momentum that could also start. But until that happens, we need to see a lower time frames, and that is the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame has made a bullish breakout, which needs to be confirmed next week, and that means do not return below 18,000. If it returns back down, it will mean that the next level will be 17,600, where the price could stop, and that is a small support between a strong resistance here, 18,000, and below that 70,300. For the best, it will be the best to watch the daily time frame, which has much more support and resistance levels that could help us to define where the price could move, and that means we can see a very important level is 18,000, first support level and demand zone for the price. The price has formed this bullish breakout, confirmed with the next candle, which means the price will continue to rise in value. And where is the stop? This is something that we will see. I have put 18,500 as the next level, as a round number for the price, but it is not the ultimate target. So if the price returns back down and not returning back below, this will mean just a confirmation of the previous resistance acting now as a support for the bulls. And this is something that I am expecting for the next week, and this will be also a confirmation for the weekly bullish breakout, which will mean on the weekly time frame another bullish move. So if you would like to check the daily analysis to be informed when something like this happens, and also when the bullish breakout has been confirmed or something reverses back down making a bearish breakout, join also inside the Telegram group, where you get the information when something happens, what is the next potential target, and the link will be below in the description. So if you would like to check it, feel free, and see you inside. Happy trading! That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading!